In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in US Virgin Islands 2026. If you've received a traffic citation in the US Virgin Islands and want to take care of it quickly, this guide will walk you through the official online process from start to finish. Have your citation number handy if you can. If you don't have it, your full name or case number will also work, and you'll need a debit or credit card for payment. Start by visiting the official website of the Superior Court of the Virgin Islands. Once you're on the court's homepage, look for a link or button labeled Pay Traffic Ticket or Pay Fine Online. Stick to the official site to ensure your information stays secure and your payment is properly recorded. When you open the payment portal, you'll be asked to look up your ticket. The fastest way is to enter your citation, also called your ticket number. If that's not available, you can search using your name or case number. Keep in mind that newly issued tickets may take a few days to appear in the system. If you don't see your ticket yet, give it a little time and try again rather than creating a duplicate entry. After you locate your case, review the ticket details carefully. Confirm the violation type, the fine amount, and the due date. Make sure the name and case information match your records. This is your chance to catch any typos or mismatches before paying. If something looks incorrect, pause and verify the information with the court so you don't accidentally pay the wrong case. When everything looks right, proceed to payment. Select the correct case, then enter your debit or credit card details exactly as they appear on your card and billing statement. The payment is processed through the court's official system, so follow the prompts and submit only once to avoid duplicate charges. Give the page a moment to confirm. Don't refresh your browser while it's processing. Once your payment is accepted, you'll see a confirmation screen. Save this immediately. Download the receipt if there's a download button, or take a clear screenshot that shows the confirmation number, date, and amount paid. Store that proof of payment somewhere you can easily find it later, just in case you need to show that the fine was resolved. That's all there is to it. Use the official court website, look up your ticket, verify every detail, pay securely, and keep your confirmation. Taking a few careful minutes now helps you avoid late fees and clears your record accurately and efficiently.